one and all. This is the Sleep Call of UKGD, the co-host of this event, and I welcome you all on board. We are about to begin our event, so please make yourself comfortable. It's a kind reminder to please make sure that your cell phones are in silent mode or turned off. About safety briefing, kindly allow me to introduce you all with the emergency exits. There are 3 doors to my left. In case of an emergency, please do not panic and assemble on the school ground. We send our regards to our respected chairman sir, whose values always guide us. Honorable chief guest, respected principal ma'am, vice principals, members of board of committee, respected teachers and my dear friends, a very warm good evening to one and all. On behalf of the management, staff, students of business and the KG department, we welcome you all to today's program. Good evening, the parents and teachers. We are so happy to have you here with us tonight. To begin this special evening on a blessed note, our youngest staff from the pre-primary department will now present a heartfelt Ganesh Vandana, a dance that celebrates Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, the bringer of wisdom, and the source of creativity and new beginnings. With grace and devotion, these little ones invite divine blessings for all of us as we embark on this joyful celebration together. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause and enjoy this beautiful prayer to dance.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि शुद्धगुल्फाय गन्धमन्ताय भोजनप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
सामने मत आइएगा, चलो।
Thank you, my friends, for the beautiful and emotional performance. The energy and innocence truly fill the stage with positivity and blessings. To begin this wonderful evening, tonight we are just witnessing a performance. We are taking a journey through love, joy, and togetherness. From antennas to artificial intelligence, from handwritten letters to heartless messages. We have come far, but have we stayed close? Tonight, our tiny stars from nursery, LKG and UKG will take us back in time to remind us of something the world is slowly forgetting: the power of human connection. Presented from antenna to AI, the journey of love, joy, and togetherness. Every era tells a story of how families lived, loved, and ran together. Grandparents grew up with black and white screens. Parents danced through disco and painted songs. And today's children shine on global stages. Tonight, we take you on a magical journey from retro to metro, from black and white to global life. From radios to reels, from letters to emails, from retro to metro, our story begins. Let's step into an age where love wasn't tied. It was felt when mothers waited at the door for their children to return from school, and fathers spent evenings telling stories, not checking phones. Grandparents sat on verandas, sharing tales under starlit skies, and children listened, eyes wide, hearts full. There was no internet, no screens, no speed, only warmth, patience, and time. Homes were small, but hearts were huge. Sit still, Doordarshan is starting. Don't blink, or you will miss the world news. These were the lives we had so often in the golden era. And just before the news began, there was a tune that made every home pause, every conversation stop. Let's relive that moment again. dancing gracefully to the tunes of the golden era, reminding us of a time when togetherness was the truest luxury.
कोई आगे न पीछे तुम कहे कोई बात है एक लड़की की भागी थी रोटी राहों में भागी थी मिली के कदम पीछे कोई आगे न पीछे तुम कहे कोई बात है हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया। अच्छा तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चलते हर जबान पर सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
So full of warmth, the smiles, the sympathy, the love that did not need Wi-Fi, just a little diamond presence. But as time moved ahead, a world began to sparkle where disco lights, shiny clothes, and new dreams. The world had changed. It was the time of color, rhythm, and now the 70s brought sparkles. The 80s brought rhythm and era. Where families still gathered to sing, dance, and laugh together. Even then, the living room was where love lived, where laughter echoed louder than any music. And now, here comes our bright pre-primary star, lighting up the stage with their retro drum corps, followed by the energetic and dazzling dance performance, spreading the joy that once filled every home. Dear parents, please welcome them with the huge round of applause. हम चलते हैं
फिर कब मिलोगे
जब तुम कहोगे,
मेरा तो
हाँ हाँ आधी रात को,
कहाँ
वहीं जहाँ कोई आता जाता नहीं, वहीं जहाँ कोई आता जाता नहीं। अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं।
ओ मेरी ओ मेरी ओ मेरी शर्मीली, ओ मेरी ओ मेरी ओ मेरी शर्मीली, आओ ना तरसाओ ना, आओ ना तरसाओ ना, ओ मेरी ओ मेरी ओ मेरी शर्मीली। किसी शायर की गजल, किसी झील का कवल, किसी शायर की गजल, किसी झील का कवल, कहीं तो मिलेगी कभी तो
चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल की तराने, मिलती मस्ती दरियाओं में, हजारों सपने सुहाने हो। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल में तराने। ये मस्ती के नजारे हैं तो ऐसे में संभलना कैसा, मेरी कसम जो लहराती डगरिया हो तो फिर क्यों ना चलूं मैं बहका बहका रे। मेरे जीवन में ये शाम आई है मोहब्बत वाले जमाने में हो। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने। बचना है हसीनों तो मैं आ गया, ये बचना है हसीनों तो मैं आ गया। हुस्न का आशिक हुस्न का दुश्मन अपनी अदा है यारों से जुदा। ये बचना है हसीनों तो मैं आ गया।
हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग, हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग, ओ साथी चल
मुझे के साथ चल तू, यूं ही दिन रात चल तू, संभल मेरे साथ चल तू, ले हाथों में हाथ चल तू, ओ साथी चल। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश की रात,
मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए। ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए।
What first? But even in the laughter, there was love, real simple love. No one rushed, no one forgot to look into each other's eyes. And just when life started to move faster, the disco dhamaka era was born. The 1980s, when music got louder, passion got bolder, and dance floors is sparkled with colors and lights. No mobile phones, no selfies, just music, moves, and magic in the air. And now, our dazzling pre-primary stars are here
सुन सदाएं दे रही है मंजिल प्यार की है मेरे हम सफर एक सदा इंतजार सुन सदाएं दे रही है मंजिल प्यार की जाऊं सूली तू ही तो मेरी जान है जान है जान है जान है झूली 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 का सुर तो मेरा है झूली तेरे लिए चढ़ जाऊं सूली तू ही तो मेरी जान है झूली 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 झूली
What a sparkle, what weather. The 80s taught us to love, to live, and to dance without fear. But soon the beat slowed down, the disco lights dimmed, and a new melody began to fill the air. A melody straight from the heart. Let's move on into the 1990s, the melody era. The 90s, the era of melody and emotion. The time when families waited for Sunday TV shows together, when a single phone call from loved one could light up an entire week. And now our little ones from nursery, LKG and UKG bring back the warmth of that unforgettable era with their colorful ramrod and a heartwarming dance that reminds us of a time when love was felt more than it was shown.
Chaya, 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 chaya,
often build walls. This was the age of phones, emails, and fast lives. Everyone was connected, yet somehow everyone felt alone. Mothers crowed while children waited. Fathers worked while families slept. Grandparents longed for a visit that never came. And children learned to love through screens, not smiles. The world was moving faster, but our hearts were falling behind. And now, our tiny dreamers from the kindergarten family bring you a heartfelt modern era walk and an expressive dance performance, a reminder that even in this busy world, love still needs time. Please welcome our tiny dreamers with a huge round of applause. forgot what it means to truly connect. The metro era, bright lights, tall towers, fast life, families under one roof, yet living in different worlds. Mothers cooking with one hand, scrolling with the other. Fathers lost in endless meetings, and children learning to smile at the screen instead of faces. Dinner tables turned silent. Bedtime stories turned into phone calls. And love began to travel through messages instead of hugs. We had everything except time. But amidst all this rush, a small voice still whispers, pause, breathe, hold a hand, share a smile, a look into someone's eyes. Because no matter how modern the world becomes, love still needs time and heart still need each other. And now, a shining little star bring that reminder to life through the radiant modern metro, round to walk, and an expressive dance performance that celebrates emotion that never fades, love, laughter, and togetherness.
छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज की भगत सिंह जय रवि रघुबर लड्डू
You, he, I,
समझाए और घुमा सीने बजा के बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी हर पहन के इतना से बढ़ कहना तेज हवा से बच के रहना गिर जाए तो फिर न कहना झुमका गिराने What chunga? What chunga? What chunga? ¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y la sentido toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जब तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेñorita मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुनके अच्छा लगा है señorita.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाह में तुम लो संगीना señorita. चाहते हो पल भी निभाए दुनिया में निकल रहता वो हमको हो जाए पूरे हम होता हम रहता señorita. सुनो सुनो señorita
Performance. The metro era taught us to dream big and move fast. But as time went on, the world changed again. Machines began to think, screens began to speak, and hearts started searching for warmth in our digital world. From antennas to apps, from letters to likes, we entered a new chapter, the age of AI, where technology understands everything except the one thing that makes us human, our emotions. And here we are, the age of artificial intelligence, machine think, robot speak, and technology feels almost alive. Grandparents sit alone, scrolling through old photographs, waiting for that one video call that never comes. AI can calculate, but can it hear? It can reply instantly, but can it truly feel? Our futures still pre-primary stars now take the stage to remind us through the AI inspired red walk and a powerful dance that hearts, not machines, are what keep the world alive. Let's see.
सन 2124 22वीं सदी में आपका स्वागत है। एआई की दुनिया जहां अब लोग इंसानों से ज्यादा रोबोट्स पर विश्वास करने लगे हैं।
but love collects hearts. Let's not let our screens replace our smiles. Let's not let messages replace moments. Let's not wait for tomorrow to hold the hands that need us today. Your parents, we don't just need the best food or toy. We need you. Grandparents, your love is the wisdom every And we, the children, should never forget those wrinkled hands that once held ours when we took our first step. Let us promise to give time, to give attention, to give love before it's too late. And now, welcome once again our LKG and UKG family as they come together one last time to celebrate the greatest power on earth, love.
मुझको क्या हुआ है क्यों मैं खो गया पागल हम या हो गया कोई मिल गया मेरा दिल गया क्या बताऊं यारो मैं तो हिल गया कोई मिल गया मिल ही गया मिल ही गया देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज ज़मीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं लोग खुशी में गाना हमने दिल है हर जाना दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई टेंशन ना रहे ये दिल सामने के इस दीवानगी 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 है जो हाथ से
So, as the curtain falls on this journey through time, let us remember progress means nothing if it costs us the people we love. Let's switch off the screen sometimes and switch on our hearts. Because in the end, the most advanced technology in the world will never be greater than a warm heart, a gentle mind, and the love of a displayed on the screen behind me. We kindly request you to share your feedback. Your suggestions and love will help us create even more joyful and enriching experiences for our children. Of love and respect, I invite our Madam Principal to please come on the stage and share her thoughts with us.
Very good evening, Mr. Sukumaran sir, Mr. Muralidharan, President Kerala Samajam, Mr. Ashok, Mr. Radhakrishnan, Mr. Mohan, and I can't, Ms. Vrinda, Reena, the Vice Principal Reena ma'am, Mr. Abraham, members of the board of, members of the executive committee, teachers, and parents. Amazing performance. I think your children deserve a standing ovation. Please clap as loudly as you can for your children. Thank you. For them, stupendous. I don't think any of us, including me, will be able to remember each and every word which they spoke without a paper in their hand. Hats off to them. I'm so proud they are part of KSME. The little tiny tots, we thought they were only 3.5 years old. But they showed us they can do amazing things on stage. I hope everybody knows here that this was put up by the pre-primary section, that means nursery, LKG, UKG, highest age being 5.5. इतना बढ़िया प्रदर्शन बच्चों ने किया है यहाँ पर. आपको लगा होगा क्या सही मेरा बेटा या बेटी इतना सब कर सकते हैं? Yeah, and you should be proud of them because they have done an amazing job. I think through this program from retro to metro, बहुत सारी सीख हमें सबको मिली है. जितने भी यहाँ बैठे हैं सबका एडवांसमेंट इन टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत हो रहा है. We are all the time talking about, we are all the time checking our WhatsApp. Even when you are seated here, while your children were dancing on stage, I am sure there must have been 1 or 2 people at least who check their WhatsApp. Nothing is more important than your children. So my humble request to each one of you is, if you are a parent, father, mother, spend time. The little boy here gave us a message saying advancement in technology can be there. There will be too many things happening in the next 10 years. But there cannot be a warm heart, a gentle hand, a help extended to somebody, a phone call. Let's stop sending WhatsApp messages and emojis. Is it possible to write 2 lines and send a heartfelt message to somebody? I think it's possible. That is why we put up this program today. How things have changed. You saw grandparents sitting together. कितनों को दूरदर्शन की याद आ गई? Yeah. So I went back to my days when I used to sit with my parents and watch the TV because there was only limited time. 6:30 onwards the Doordarshan would play and I think 3 घंटे का program होता था. जो अगर यहाँ कोई भी वेस्ट बंगाल से है तो एक बाउल गीती करके एक प्रोग्राम आता था. For me it used to be quite boring at that time, but we used to sit in front of the TV to watch it.
Ma'am, don't forget Krishi Darshan.
And Krishi Darshan, yes, thank you. एडवांसमेंट तो बहुत हो गई है. AI आ गया है. आजकल दिमाग चलाने की आवश्यकता ज़्यादा नहीं होती क्योंकि सब कुछ ऑनलाइन मिल जाता है. But at the same time, parents, मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे कि बच्चों के लिए टाइम निकालिए. आपस में फादर मदर के लिए टाइम निकालिए, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के लिए निकालिए. This is the message through this program of song and dance which we wanted to convey to you. And I am so proud of the pre-primary department. I would like to invite all teachers on stage according to the era which they took charge of and got the children to practice. Golden era, teacher Nivedita, Maureen Francis, teacher Pinky Kumari, Rajani. Please come. I think, ladies and gentlemen, they all deserve a huge round of applause. तालियां बहुत धीमी कर रही हैं. मसाला डिस्को, teacher Rinki, Harpreet, teacher Isha. Please keep coming on to the stage. Disco Dhamaka, teacher Justine, teacher Margaret, teacher Sukhti. Melody, teacher Vino Kaur, teacher Rubena, teacher Magdalene. Global Bollywood, teacher Shelly, teacher Ruby Francis, teacher Priya. Metro, teacher Jasmine Sethi, teacher Ruchi, teacher Devashri. AI, teacher Nikki, teacher Jasmine. Teacher Jaswinder Kaur. These are the stars of the evening who, without a paper, were able to memorize and narrate everything so well. Children, very, very well done. I would like to now ask three teachers to step forward. Teacher Jaswinder, Teacher Kamaljeet and Teacher Jasleen, who were overall in charges of the entire program. Big round of applause. Teacher Inder sir, if you are here. We began with the Ganesh Vandana and our youngest teacher in the entire group, I think, he did a wonderful job of training the students. Thank you so much, teachers and parents. You can imagine how difficult the job it must have been. We can't handle one child at home. They handle 270 children. 270. Yeah, and teacher reminds me plus the parents. So thank you so very much. Thank you for coming to see your little star shine. And the entire show, the amazing backdrop wouldn't have been possible if our students and the teacher accompanying them would not have spent hours in ensuring there was no lag and there was no gap between two presentations at the back. So I would like to invite Teacher Anjani, Dev sir, Daniel, Abhimanyu, Armin. Time, the children knew when they had to enter, when they had to leave the stage. Don't stand behind me, stand in front. Come on. These are the generation of today, the two boys and one girl. Amazing job, children. Thank you so much. And the teacher who supervised them, Anjali teacher, thank you. And they our software expert. Without him, we don't know what to do with technology. Thank you very much, and thank you for being a part of KSMS. Thank you for your cooperation, parents. Thank you for being there whenever we requested you to come. Thank you for your support. Thank you for understanding, and thank you for being such wonderful parents. My request, keep one day of the week, we all fast. So one day of the week, maybe we can also do mobile fasting. Thank you.
Enjoy the biggest moment.
Tu le pena con la papaya. papaya.
Oh, you like that show? From antenna to AI, the journey of love, time, and togetherness. And we went from one era to another. Maybe it reminded all of us how fast time flies and how love keeps us close even when life changes. Our parents work so hard for us. Our grandparents wait just to see our smiles. But sometimes we forget to give them our time. So from today, let's promise to talk more, to work tighter, and to spend more time with the people who really love us. Because one day when we look back, it won't be the phones or games we will remember. It will be the moments we shared and the hand we held and the love that makes us happy. As we approach the conclusion of this lively and joyful evening, we would like to take a moment to express our gratitude to everyone who has made this easy night possible and joined us in this celebration. To our little performers, you have been simply outstanding. Your confidence, smiles, and enthusiasm brought so much charm to the stage. Let's all give them a big thunderous round of applause for their wonderful performance. Thank you for gracing your event. The creativity in your acts, the energy in your dance moves, and the beauty in your costume were truly inspiring. A heartfelt thank you to our dedicated teacher. Your guidance, care, and hard work have shaped these performances and give our friends the confidence to shine. Thank you for being such a loving mentors. We also extend a sincere appreciation to the technicians and all the support staff whose behind the scenes effort made everything run smoothly. Without you, this event would not have been such a success. Most importantly, a deep and heartfelt thank you to the management, our respected principal ma'am and vice principal for providing us with this wonderful opportunity and platform to let our young talent express themselves and create unforgettable memories. Thank you for gracing our event.
गंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Those children who participated in Ganesh Vandana are in LKG B. Parents, you may please be seated. Please sit. So those children who participated in Ganesh Vandana, they are in LKG B. So Ganesh Vandana, parents, you may just leave the auditorium and collect your children from LKG B. Only Ganesh Vandana participants are there, so you others please